Brian Cuff. Take care of Brian Cuff.
What's up, Cufflinks fam? Welcome back to another video.
Tenants in the building. Cufflinks in the building.
Welcome back, of course, to all our new subscribers.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here. All our tenants, all our OGs, thank you so much for sticking and staying with us right here on Stuff on the Cuffs, where we give you fire. We give you content that's fun.
We're inspirational.
There you go. Real.
And we're educational, and I'm not going to delete that. We're going to show
That's okay. That's okay. That just like we're not going to put anything over the shy part of F.I.R.E, yes, we're not going to delete that. Welcome back, guys, to another video. Thank you so much for all the support on our last videos, our last few videos.
Since we've been back.
Yes, since we've been back. And as you can see, we are doing our best to post on Sundays. So you can set your clocks to make sure that you tune into our videos on Sundays.
After you have your Sunday dinner, you have your dessert, then you come and you watch us and get some
a little treat. Yeah. Alright, so today we're talking about...
Today we're talking about marriage, of course, but we're looking at it in the context of, a lot of people sometimes will say, oh, you guys don't have any problems, you guys don't have any trouble.
You're so lucky.
You
got lucky.
Yeah, when I hear how your husband talk or how your wife talks, you guys are lucky. But today we want to talk a little bit about it. It's not luck, because there have been some times when I never like her.
Needless to say, I don't have to say, just watch back some of our last videos. You'll know that we never like me either.
I'm not lucky to have her at all.
We're blessed to have each other.
We're blessed.
But luck doesn't have anything to do with it.
Luck doesn't have anything to do with it? No.
Why do you repeat everything that's there?
You see what I'm saying? Sometimes she can get annoying, like just a while ago, right? But what we want to talk about is the fact that it isn't luck, but it's deliberate action.
And that's a word I love to use a lot, deliberate. You know, sometimes when we put up videos or pictures on, especially like Instagram and Facebook, a lot of the comments are, relationship goals and
couple goals.
Yeah, may this love find me.
Or I wish for half the love you guys have.
But let me tell you,
there have been days.
It wasn't always like this.
There have been days.
What you been so far? Sure, it wasn't always like this, and it still isn't always like this. But we are very deliberate about choosing each other, even when we don't want to. Very deliberate about choosing. I really have to. About choosing to love each other, even when we don't feel like it. And I think what makes our story so attractive to other persons who are maybe looking to find love and wanting to get married is the fact that we have overcome a lot to get where we are, and we're so grateful to God. It's still not easy. I mean, we have the day-to-day hiccups, we have the disagreements, everything that a normal healthy relationship
because
has.
We are a normal healthy relationship.
We have a normal.
Nothing different from you.
Yeah. Who is watching. But one thing that we have decided and committed to do over the years is to choose each other, especially when things get tough. They have.
So it's not luck. So let's look at a couple of tips. Right? One, be friends with each other.
Yes. We actually like each other.
Basilia always tells people we actually like each other. Even when we're not in love, madly in love at the moment, we like hanging around each other. So the two of us will just be up watching TV, or we probably on our phones right beside each other doing some completely different things. But every now and then we're laughing and we're in our space. We go on walks. I mean, if we're going to walk around the road, we're holding hands and we're laughing, we're talking. Every now and then, when she walks past, we still give her that little friendly span.
When she walks past, we still give her that little friendly span.
But you have to like each other, because there will be moments that the love. I mean, at the end of the day, love conquers all, but not the emotive side of love or the romantic side of love. It may not be present in the moment. You have to remember your friends first.
Yeah, and we don't mind driving out without the kids. We don't mind. Let me tell you something that we used to do. It's open. Let me tell you something that we used to do. So, if we've dropped the kids off, like say at their sitter or with a friend or whoever is keeping them for a period of time after an event,
before you even come and say, oh, here them, they have sitter. No. Like
we have an
grandma,
auntie,
grandpa, and
we have a grandma, we have a grandpa. That's
some
what
of
I
our
mean.
family and friends. Don't think that we're paying sitters.
No,
We're
no,
not
no.
like that. No. We ain't that
Still a
bougie.
sitter.
We ain't that bougie.
Still a sitter. But before we go and pick them up, like the event finish, before we go and pick them up, find somewhere to go.
Yeah.
We go on a date night before we go pick them up, because you know when we pick them up, it's mommy and daddy all the way. So
to all the aunties and uncles and
thank
everybody
you.
who's been helping us.
We appreciate
Thank you,
it. That's why we come so late.
Wait, don't stop now because you're here. Right? We say we leave, but we don't reach it.
But we
right?
don't reach it until like an hour and a half, 2 hours, 2.5
We have
hours
to spend
later.
some us
Yes,
time
yes.
together.
We'll go find a restaurant to go to, and I mean, we just find something to.
Yeah.
We just find something to do together, and I think that's primarily because we enjoy each other's company. I come in, let me go turn off the oven because it's not going to stop beeping. Yes, I'm back. So, you know, if somebody, we're talking about liking each other and loving to spend time together. If somebody had told me, so we're in our 11th year, we're in our 12th year, because we passed 11 going into 12. If somebody had told me 9 years ago, when we were in our rough patch, that we would have been here today, I wouldn't believe them. And at that time, maybe there were times when I felt like, boy, I wish I had somebody else's relationship that I saw on social. I mean, the kind of relationship with my husband. And then I realized over the years, it's easy to say that when you are looking at other people's situations, but when you're in it and you know what it takes to get there, then the appreciation for growing together and being able to just sustain what God has blessed you with becomes, you know, paramount. Meaning, you know, despite everything, we just always ensure and choose each other. And yeah.
Yeah, love didn't get us through those rough moments.
Let me tell you.
At the end of the day, when she gets home, I've heard people say, you know, stuff like, "Oh, your wife is gold, or she's platinum, or she's the top of the
You're
tier."
trying to say I'm not?
Or they say, if you slip, they will slide in. Like, I mean, when see her hair now, but when she reach home and wash her face and take out her hair and take off the
Hold
curl
on,
and everything, like you don't know what.
Hold on, take out what's here.
I'm joking. But I'm just saying.
Nothing is wrong if you take out your hair, by the way.
No. We're just talking about
Just
her
put
right
it
now.
out there.
Right? People will glamorize and romanticize what they see on social media or what they believe exists. But they don't know that there are rough days when the two of us like we don't really want to into nothing with each other. And it's so important that you have to remember that your marriage is dedicated to God and you've committed yourself to this person. So the commitment part of it chips in even when there is no harmony at the time. Because even the greatest of choirs have had moments where they're not on point together, the harmony is off or whatever is not as tight as it should be. And the same thing with us as our marriage.
Not me.
Some of you
I'm
have
sorry.
no what's happening right now.
I'm
But for
sorry.
those who, I'm the saved
sorry.
one. I'm the
I'm
saved
sorry.
one. Right? She's the
XYZ, Adventures
the
of
rebel in
XYZ
me.
causes.
Big ups to the Adventures of XYZ and all the other YouTube couples out there, all our friends.
And you know, another thing that I see people say a lot is that you must be laughing 24 hours a day. Listen, I'm not a clown 24 hours a day.
People say, I must be so happy all the while around my wife because she's always giving all these jokes and whatever. We laugh a lot. We have those humorous times. But there are serious moments. There are relationships, there are serious times. There are just mundane, normal moments as well.
We're not doing anything.
We're not doing anything.
We're not doing anything.
Yeah, we're just going through our day-to-day activities.
And even when it comes down to the children, people think that I am this I guess this Ladasha mommy who is just always having a fun time all the time. The other day Brian had to say to me,
What do I? Mommy,
because I have to be serious mommy.
Yeah.
I'm their mom first, right? So I have to be serious mommy. But yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, that's what we want to say.
Yeah, it
It's
takes a
not
lot of
luck.
work.
It's not that the person opposite any of us is perfect. And yes, there are things about us that like I go anywhere and tell people that my wife is just amazing, and you know I really love her and she's really special. But I'm not saying that to say that she's just perfect and there's nothing wrong with her. Why my relationship looks this good, or why my relationship has made it to 11 years. It's hard work. And while I may be the best husband, father in the world, who is a romantic and full of...
That's right. Yeah, friend.
I'm just saying, it's not because I am all of that on the bag of chips. I'm saying...
Catch up in here. Yeah. Friend.
No, I'm saying that it's a lot of hard work. I have had to decide to not be somebody else, or to follow certain characteristics or traits of what a man should be, or you know, what some of the things that have burned me in life, to not let it make me bitter, but make me better. So it's not that we are all that. It's not that we are perfect. It's just that
we're perfect for each other.
Right, and we're trying to progress each day and live in our purpose. Most importantly, we have to walk in our purpose. So yes, we enjoy marriage, but we know it's a ministry, and we know it's something that our kids look up to as well. But we're also doing this because we enjoy being married to each other. Yeah. And I'm not just saying that for the camera. You know, I've seen people laugh and talk, and as soon as they finish, them turn and go. But we enjoy each other's company. So it's not a look. There've been moments where we've had to sit and cry through some rough conversations. We've had to. You're not pretty when you cry.
I never said that.
You're not pretty when you cry. Let's see if I can find a video to post. You know, we've had to have those difficult conversations. We've had to face some dark moments together, and we're happy where we are today. So, yeah. So it's not luck. It's not luck. It's hard work.
I'm not lucky. I'm blessed. Yes. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it for our conversation today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And of course, be sure to like, subscribe, follow us on our social media pages. You'll get to see more life updates over there in terms of, you know, pictures and videos. Day-to-day
This is
activity.
weekly, so.
Yeah, so follow us at Basilia B Cuff, Brian M Cuff, and over on TikTok.
Stuff from the Cuffs.
Basilia B Cuff, Brian M Cuff. If you type in Brian M on TikTok, if you type in Brian Cuff Mufasa or Brian Cuff, that's my mania.
From you type in Brian
Cuff. When you type in Brian, Cuff will come up. Yeah, because he went viral for that Mufasa video. Brian Cuff, that's my mania. Brian Cuff, my baby fata. Bye guys. Later.
Brian Cuff, that's my father. Brian Cuff, take care of Bria. Brian Cuff, love him so much. Brian Cuff, I'm afraid about Bella. Brian Cuff, that's my papa. Brian Cuff, he's sweet like sugar. Hey!